What's going on, guys? It's Nate here. It is mid-morning. I'm a little tired. I'm looking a little rough. I got some caffeine in my system right now, but wanted to get out of the office and just switch it up a little bit. It's a beautiful day outside. We're going to go over back testing and learn everything about how to maximize your strategy by practicing looking up charts and back testing and using the replay options on tradingview.com. Okay, if you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. Also, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and smash that like button, comment, and let's go. Let's get straight into it. I'm using the platform called tradingview.com. This is the platform I use to backtest. Backtesting is essentially going back in time and then playing out the price in warp speed, so you can make multiple trades, practice your strategy, and see if you're consistent or not. Okay, so right here you're gonna see the replay button. I think you do have to pay for the subscription in order to use the replay button, so that's just an FYI. But right here you just click on replay. Okay, you select a certain area, so right here I'll just kind of click that area, and then boom, you'll see it get rid of all that data. So I have no clue how that's going to actually play out. I just have my horizontal levels marked up, so I already did that for you guys. I use a break and retest strategy, so if you guys want to learn that strategy, I'll provide it in the link in the descriptions below. But let's go ahead and play this out, right? So you can speed it up, or slow it down. I'll just keep it in the middle and then hit play. And so what I'm looking for is the break and retest. My strategy is break and retest. I'll look for a certain zone, and then if it breaks a certain level and then tests that area again, right, then I'm gonna look for an entry. Okay, so what I look for, I'll just point it out. That way you guys know what I'm looking for. I look for something like this, where price breaks out of a specific level, retests a specific horizontal area, and then continues up. Okay, so if I would have saw that right there, I would have gotten to an entry, made a long position for 127 pips. My entry would have been right about here in that area. It's kind of little. Expand it. So this area right here I would have entered. Okay, so yeah, let's continue to press play and let's look for break and retests. So there goes a horizontal level. Okay, so it's playing around, a little bit of sideways action, starting to get bullish. Okay, right here, this area is telling me something. Okay, so I would have marked that up because I see price doing something really interesting. What did price do? Price broke that level, came up and bounced. We're also in a bullish channel, so price broke, came back down. What is it gonna do? It's gonna go up, right? So now I'm literally testing out my strategy in real time. So I would have entered a long right here, and since this is like a top area where there's barely any price, so the last time price was up here was in April of 2019. So let's just see if price actually goes all the way up that way, right? We don't know. That's why we're back testing. So fingers crossed. Let's say I enter the position and get in right here for a long. I would have looked left and look at that previous high and then see where it goes. I would have put my stop like around here. So price is going up. I'm happy. I'm still happy. And I'm nervous. I'm happy. Boom. Take profit. Thank you very much. All right. So that is amazing. This is literally great because I'm just literally doing it with you guys. So let's take out my long position and see how many pips I would have caught based off of that move. Wow. About 240 pips. My stop loss would have been below these little wick areas, right? And so this is literally we made our money back 5 times. So 1 to 5.83, almost 6 times ratio based off of this move right here. So let's continue to play some stuff out. We can continue to hit play. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is look for another break and retest. Okay. So right here, you're going to see again another horizontal level on a smaller time frame, but it's okay because I'm just kind of showing you guys in like real time, warp speed time. So let me go ahead and expand it. This area right here is this area right here is my horizontal level, okay, because I see wicks that's giving me data. So over here you're gonna see a wick. Price is just kind of testing this area right here. So what it do, price broke below that zone area, came back up with a bullish candle, tested that horizontal, and then for a sell-off. So now that I'm in a smaller time frame, I know that price was up here a while ago, and so I'm gonna have to assume that price is gonna continue down to this level. Let's pull out our short position, and let's just say that I get into a short right there. I put my stop maybe right above that previous high, wrote it down to the next price action area. So let's play it out. Hopefully I am 2 for 2. Amazing. So didn't quite hit the TP, but I mean, we're looking at 103 pips. I probably would have took it at 100 pips just to be safe, but again, this is amazing, right? That was the break and retest in real time. Okay, so it broke this level, came back up. What did it do? Came all the way, almost smack TP for 100 pips, and then it played out. So price is coming back down, doesn't know what it's doing, it's going sideways. Okay, so now it's just ranging, right? It's just ranging. So I don't really like that. I want a big break. So still ranging, still ranging, still ranging. Where's my next break? Okay, so that's a break right there. It broke out of that zone. Okay, so I'm looking for a retest. So that's the retest right here. So what did it do? It broke completely, almost the next zone, pretty much at the next zone. Retested, and now I'm looking for the sell-off. Okay, so let's see how it plays out. Wish me luck. This will be okay. So I already got stopped out right there. Why? Because let's pull out my short position. So I would have entered a short right there, put my stop right there around the previous high, wrote it down for 100 pips. Not working out too well. And the reason why right here, I mean, I would have got stopped out. I would have been up 2 trades, lost 1 trade on this. But now I'm seeing a rangy area. I don't see a trend anymore, right? So it's not going to be as powerful for me in that break and retest area. Strategy, because it's just ranging. It's going sideways on the 4-hour. Okay, boom. So now I see something very interesting because it's no longer in that range. It broke below big time, and boom, I see it right here. That is gold to me. So I would have pulled out my short position, took it to the next price action area, maybe like right there. No, let's just take it all the way down here to the next price action area. Would have put my stop above the zone, so maybe around here. And let's see how it plays out. Let's see if it goes all the way down for 100 pips. Boom, smack TP. So I'm 3 out of 4 right now. I got a 75% win ratio based off of the break and retest. Again, I don't like doing break and retest in a rangy area, but when it is going up in a trend, right, break and retest is pretty solid. So guys, that is literally the break and retest. You can play your trades out over and over and over again with your own strategy, and it's going to help you just mark up charts like over and over and over again in warp speed time without trading in the real market and waiting for, you know, price to play out in real time. It takes forever. So again, you use the replay, you select a certain time, and then you continue to hit this play button to see how your trade goes. So if you guys like this video, you see value in it, go ahead and smash that like button. Comment below if you like it. Let me know the next video you want to see, and I'll go ahead and create it for you. I appreciate your time, and thanks for always supporting my YouTube channel. See you guys.